Good afternoon, everyone. Would you look at what we have here? This is a package from Bradford, Pennsylvania. That means my Zippos are in here that I sent in for repair. Now, I was not expecting this at all today, actually. Well, first of all, I never got an email saying that they received it, so I was literally just about to go email Zippo about this, but turns out they had already repaired it and sent it off. I was having a bit of a bad day, and this kind of cheered me up a bit, thankfully. Gonna have a little coffee. All right, I think I'm ready to open these up. So I dropped these off in my mailbox January 8th, and it is now February 2nd. So when I sent them off, I've sent off 3 Zippos. I requested that they return the original inserts and that they also give me brass inserts instead of the normal chrome. So it'll be interesting to see if they honored that. And it'll also be interesting to see if they included anything else. Like sometimes I'd watch videos and they'd send like little pocket guides and stuff. But let's see what they sent. Hopefully something fun and not just the Zippos. Let's use the old motorcycle key. I don't have my knife right now, so there we go. Ooh, I'm excited. It's been so long. This was actually a faster repair than last time. Oh, yep. There they are. Here is my mercury glass. I have the original insert right here. Now, the moment of truth. Did they give me a brass insert? Is this brass? It is. Oh, wow, that's so pretty. Let's take this out, see when it was manufactured. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. September 2022. Very cool. It's nice to have some brass inserts. I think it looks really pretty with the white case. Okay. There's one. Now we have my, oh, I can't think straight today. My black ice. I did ask really, really nicely for brass inserts, so wow, it looks so clean. Ooh, that's nice. And another I-2022, okay. Old insert. And last but certainly not least, this is my street chrome that I sent in once before, so it's been repaired twice now. And the first time I sent it, the hinge was so bent when it came back. So, all right. Hinge looks pretty straight. So got a gold insert, that's nice. This is an H of 2022. So it's August, I think. Anyway. Yep. Zippos back from repair.